The landscape for private equity and principal investors is changing dramatically, and the mega trends are driving the momentum. Dry powder, a clear indicator of investing capacity, is an all-time high of approximately $4 trillion, and that amount has tripled since 2010. Private equity and principal investors have also reimagined the art of investing, moving from what historically had been traditional focus on just LBO transactions into distinctive asset class investing with things like credit, real estate, infrastructure, energy transition, and insurance. It's these trends which create a unique opportunity for private equity and principal investors to play a critical role in future business transformation and business reinvention that will follow along with the various megatrends around deglobalization, digitization, and decarbonization. Then I look at some of the structural changes coming to our industry, things like the role of the retail investor. And currently, 50% of assets under management are held by retail investors, but only 16% of the assets that are held by alternative asset managers like the private equity and principal investors is with retail investors, so a tremendous opportunity. I also look at private credit. With the opportunity that the banks have created for private lending to be introduced to the system, we've currently got $1.6 trillion of AUM in private credit, expected to grow to $3.5 trillion by 2028. Another incredible opportunity for private equity and principal investors to put capital to work in specific asset classes. Then I would say value creation. There's no longer the days of generating returns from debt financing and multiple arbitrage. You're actually looking to have to create value and transform companies in the new age, and that requires a new level of skill sets that have to be expanded and done at scale in order to actually drive that value and differentiate for your investors. AI has been something that the private equity and principal investors have looked at from two different perspectives. One is, how do you as a management company embed Gen AI into your operations to operate more effectively? But maybe more importantly, and the one that can really drive value, is how then do you take Gen AI use cases and opportunities into your portfolio companies and maybe even inform some of your value creation theses on new investments by leveraging technology and operations together within Gen AI envelope to actually drive the value. When I talk to our clients, it's the unique ability to combine deep functional expertise and industry expertise along with our tech capabilities that differentiates us in the way we actually execute and formulate strategy around value creation.